Ooh.
Hello.
Smacznego.
Thank you.
Smacznego.
Py-
Have a
Poznanian
breakfast.
twarożek,
Jajko.
jajko, sałatka, chleb. And you have a salmon.
Yes, nice. So after we've got lunch together, we decided to the place. Actually, I want to show you where I'm gonna take, massage later on. It's very nice place. I'll show you. Here is the place. You see, it's Damian is there, and here is the massage room. Hi. Nice. That's a dining table basically. Hoi. And here, look at this magic stone with the water. Oh yeah, that's the stone, the real one. And here is so many books. And yeah, I'll show you also this room. It's nice. I really like the vibe here. Yeah. And this place actually also, it is very good for the therapy, sound therapy or the light therapy, something like this. Yes, the sound therapy. Very nice vibe. It's Bali Island. And yeah, nice painting. And here is another room for the massage, and then for the trapeze as well. Bed table is nice. Very nice. Barzo Polycharm. Here we are in the Sunday flea market again. As usual, what Damian's gonna buy here? Chocolate. Every Sunday street for him is shopping. Chocolate. Nice. Kochanie, your favorite chocolate?
Yeah, my favorite chocolate.
Nice. He will buy box of chocolate. Nice. Damian's sweet treats. Kochanie.
I only come here actually to buy my coffee tea and sometimes Pepsi or Coke because it's actually cheaper.
Nice.
But also opportunity to see something different, you know.
Tak, let's go. It's Sunday. Tak?
This market is already closing down nearly because we came too late because we meet Anka and Auntie today, right? So I was
Tak.
thinking maybe we do what we have to do and then let's go later to the Gniezno, have a look. We've never been there. I've been there, but we never been there.
Tak, but I'll
It's
show
nearby
you.
the Poznan.
Yes, I'll show you just around little bit a quick shot how it looks, even like some of the shops they already closed down basically. So yeah, let's go.
Sayang, you are the queen.
So now we are in Gniezno.
Gniezno, the oldest and first capital city in Poland, previously.
So after we were in market, we decided to go exploring another city that still belongs to Poznan state, right?
Tak, Wielkopolska,
Wielkopolski
Greater Poland.
Tak. And then this one is the first capital of Poland long time ago.
Tak.
Yeah, if I'm not
Back in 966, also the Christianity in Poland was established in this city. The cathedral is just behind you.
Oh, we will go there later on, and here is the walking street. And as you see surround me, there are so many nice restaurants. Let's go. Okay, that's the cathedral behind there, and here is the Stary Rynek. Tak, kochanie?
Market Square, yeah.
And I see that some action over there. So yeah, let's go. Keep walking. Oh, nice. Let's have a coffee or ice cream, nah? Oh, look at this. Oh, ice cream. Kohani, do you want an ice cream first or coffee first? Okay. So here is the restaurant in front of me, and that's the hotel as well. And Kohani, what is it in front of us?
This is the Hrober Street.
Uh-huh,
Actually, you can see. Also down there, you have in English. The
Yes.
history is back in 1819.
Tak, this one. And who is this gentleman?
Bolesław Chrobry, king from 1025 years. And he really looks like a king, isn't it?
Tak. You see? The live music, restaurant, hotel. Seems like a slow living vibe, no?
A little bit like Leszno, another small city,
Uh-huh.
smaller city in Greater Poland.
Uh-huh.
Really full of the history anyways.
Tak, tak. Oh, that's over there is also another building. Nice. Another restaurant. We decided to go to the one ice cream shop. Oh,
You wanna have an ice cream scoop?
with this one scoop only. Nice. I wanna have a chocolate ice cream. That's the place. Nice. Ice cream time, Kohani. Nice. And we sit like this one. Nice. Nice. Look, here is actually the miniature of the city of the Gniezno. Tak. And from here you can see the big church as well. Nice. Keep walking on walking. That's in front of me is another church. And then that's the red brick building is actually the post office. And that's also another red brick building and the Kaminica, right? Kohani?
Yes, exactly like that. Still belongs to the old town.
That was a nice ice cream shop, right, Kohani?
Very nice.
And then I decided to go back to the Rinek and then record from a different perspective. Oh, look at this Kuban Bar restaurant, museum. Oh, Królewski Festival.
And the guy played the saxophone.
Nice. So nice.
Nice, isn't it?
And then, yeah, the vibe is just like this. There's another restaurant over there, and I think that this one, this walking street, is about the restaurant, no?
Right.
Uh-huh. You see the drink bar, the Kaminica. It's nice. It's nice with the cathedral church as the background. Interesting.
That's nice vibe actually.
Yeah. Another ice cream shop. Nice. Oh, that's sushi restaurant here, no? Nice. So we were there basically, and now we keep walking. We go there. Ah, nice fountain in the middle. Restaurant on the right. Kaminica. Nice, Kohani.
Nice. A lot of interesting ice cream. Last time I was here in December was taken for January.
Ah, it's nice. Nice vibe actually. Oh, let's go there.
Nice vibe, isn't it?
Tak.
Let's get closer to the cathedral if we're already here in Gniezno.
It's nice. Ah, yes. And the design of the Kaminica is totally different, right, Kohani?
Yeah, a little bit different, that's true.
And look at this pyramid. What is the calendarium?
Yeah, this is the history of the how the Kingdom of Poland was established. So the first in the 6th, 7th century was the beginning of the Lech kingdom, actually, and then in 966 it was the first king of the Mieszko first was took the Christianity, the baptism of Poland, and then there is so on up to
Millennium.
millennium.
Gniezd Prago. Nice. Oh, so in front of me is the cathedral church, right, Kohane? And look at the King Wesław Kroby, tak? Yes.
That was capital city, so and that was the beginning. So many kings were here, and also the king is buried here. There, we're gonna get there closer.
And
I'm
I'll
gonna
show you
show you.
around how it is. Actually, it's around. So yeah, it's a Sunday, and so many picture relating to the Christianity, right, Kohane?
The baptism.
Baptism,
Actually,
tak.
966 on this one.
Tak.
That's just the Mura, but that's important piece of history of Poland. Actually.
So yeah, let's go there. And here is actually
The king of Poland was buried Bolesław Chrobry, the same guy what you see previously on this monuments, you know. So this is very historical place.
this is actually how the look inside of the cathedral church. So here is also another look from a different door, and behind is actually the lake and also the park. So this is how it looks.
Actually, this is the hill of the Lech. So this is where the first they started here, the establishments actually of the Gniezno.
I see. And now in front of me is another costume or the church. Basically, look at the design, the red brick building. It's nice. Oh, this one is since 1420, 1430. And look at the red brick as well. It's nice. Look at this. And that's behind. That's the small road.
So we had a coffee in the market square. Pretty nice, small but nice, cozy in general. So what do you think?
It's very nice, enjoyable actually. And what I can say that it is a smaller city than Poznan, and the market square also smaller.
Feels little bit like Leszno, no?
Yes, but what I see is that it's more family oriented, because I don't know, everywhere that I see there's so many family. Right, I think that's all my video today, guys. It's actually Sunday, friends time, going to the market, and then now here in Gniezno.
Yes,
Tak?
yeah.
I think that's all my video today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.